How to turn on or turn off sync notes to iCloud on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on iCloud. Next, in here, tap on the CO button. Then we go down and tap on Notes. From here, tap on Sync this iPhone. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now here say turn off notes, and then tap on delete from my iPhone. To turn on sync, tap on sync this iPhone and switch it back on. And here say automatically sync your notes to iCloud, so you will be able to see, edit, and share and collaborate from any of your devices. And after that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.